Hello everyone. So today we'll be making everybody's favorite spring rolls. There are two elements, the spring roll sheet and the filling. The filling has noodles and all the vegetables in it. For that we need some carrots, capsicum, onions, ginger, garlic, some black pepper and obviously the boiled noodles, soy sauce, vinegar, salt. These are some basic elements which you're going to need for your filling. So this is it, and now we are going to move on to the dough. For the dough we are going to need all-purpose flour, some olive oil, some salt and yes, very important is 2 tablespoon of cornstarch. और अगर आपके पास cornstarch नहीं है तो आप अरारोट का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Now we are going to need our dough. I'm using a food processor, बट आप इसको हाथ से भी गूंद सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन उसमें थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा टाइम जाएगा बिकॉज यू नीड टू keep kneading the dough until you get it really soft. And yes, one more important thing over here is that आपको इसमें गर्म पानी warm water use करना है, not very hot and not cold. You need to use warm water for kneading your dough. See, it will be this soft. It won't be very stretchy, it will be very easy to work with. And now I'm just going to leave this dough for around 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes the dough is completely ready to work with. Just sprinkle your working counter with some all-purpose flour and divide your dough into equal portions. उसकी छोटी छोटी लोई बना लें और बराबर के साइज़ की हो उस चीज़ का ध्यान रखें. So जब भी लोई बन के तैयार हो जाएगी फिर आप उसको अच्छे से बेल लें. मैं आपको दिखा नहीं सकती बिकॉज एक हाथ से मैं शूट कर रही हूँ. तो ये दोनों ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर साइज के हैं. Now I'm just going to brush the sheet with the oil. Okay, brush it with oil and be generous with the oil. After brushing one sheet with the oil, I'm going to sprinkle some all-purpose flour over it. बहुत अच्छे से sprinkle करना है because अगर हम अच्छे से sprinkle नहीं करेंगे, अच्छे से उस पर मैदा नहीं लगाएंगे तो बाद में शीट आसानी से निकलेंगी नहीं. So this is almost done. And now I'm going to stack the other sheet over this, press it and then roll it very thinly. अब इस टाइम पे जब हमने दोनों शीट्स को एक साथ जोड़ दिया है तो अब इनको बहुत ही पतला पतला बेल लेना है, लाइक वेरी पतला पतला. ओके, so it should look something like this. See, you can see that it's somewhat translucent, not very translucent but yes, little bit. So I'm cooking these sheets on a non-stick tawa. We don't have to cook them completely, just cook it like chapati, okay? But flip them to the other side after 20 seconds. Don't cook them completely. It should look something like this when you flip, and after 20 seconds remove from the tawa. Okay, तो just find one corner और फिर आसानी से ये एक दूसरे से अलग हो जाएंगे. And see, they are coming out beautifully. This is what we are looking for, really thin sheets. Because of these thin sheets we are going to get that beautiful crispy texture of our spring rolls. So the sheets are done. Let's move on to the filling. For that I have taken a wok and in that I have added around 4 tablespoons of oil and then added my ginger, garlic which was finely chopped, and after 1 minute I'm going to add onions in it. We don't have to cook the onions completely or for that matter any vegetable completely. We just have to get rid of that raw flavor. So just stir it for around 40 to 50 seconds and then you're good to go. After around 50 seconds I am adding my carrots, my capsicum, and I did not have cabbage at that point of time, so if you have cabbage please add that. See the beautiful vibrant colors of these vegetables. I just love it. Stir, 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 mix everything together. और अब इसमें डालेंगे थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट, थोड़ा ब्लैक पेपर, now I'm adding the black pepper, and then I'll be adding a little bit of soy sauce in it to have some flavor in the vegetables as well. So when all this is done, just add your noodles, little bit of seasoning of pepper and salt, some soy sauce, some vinegar. Just saute it for around 1 to 2 minutes and you're good to go. Black pepper, salt, here comes the soy sauce, and mix, mix, mix. And now I've added around 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar. Mix everything together on a high flame, and the filling is also ready. Now we are going to assemble our spring rolls. But first of all, check these out. So thin. I feel so good. Now just take a sheet और उसके बीच में रख दे अपने noodles, and then just watch it how we have to fold it. Bring everything together on one side, very carefully roll it, and I've made this is the mixture of some all-purpose flour and water. I'm using it to just stick the rolls. So now just roll it nicely. See, perfectly घर पे बने हुए स्प्रिंग रोल्स. आप बाजार जाओगे ही नहीं दोबारा. और इसको बना के फ्रीज भी कर सकते हैं. सो जब भी खाना हो, फ्रीजर में से निकाला सिर्फ 20 मिनट पहले और उसको फ्राई कर लिया. तो अब आती है फ्राई करने की बारी. एक कढ़ाई ली है, उसमें डाला है ढेर सारा तेल, क्योंकि बिना तेल के तो मज़ा ही नहीं आएगा. And now we are going to fry our spring rolls. It takes around 3 minutes to fry one spring roll. Okay? Flip it over. It will turn golden, and then you will know that you have achieved perfection. Yes, they are going to look like this, and tada, this is the final result. You can serve it with your favorite chutneys. I have made some mint chutney and some chili garlic chutney. So please try this one at home, share it with your friends and family, spread the deliciousness, and yes, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.